Hi from the sunny Algarve, Portugal. I'm Ana Remígio from Cupcakes and Dreams. I'm an innovative Sugarworks ambassador and I'm here today to show you how to use a sugar structure. So let's open up the box. These are instructions to help you. This is a professional grade structure. It's food safe. You can use it directly, no problem. You can reuse it. It's aluminium. So let's start by fixing the base. Let's just fix it to the base. It's important to be well fixed. Yeah, I think it's enough. Yeah, completely fixed. So now let's just follow the instructions. To make it easy, I'm going to put it here, what we need for the first part. So just like this, see, by a 3 rod in the base. Then you have to place the junctions. At the beginning it's not easy because you have this rubber inside, and this is all very new, so it's not very easy to put it on the right position. So we are going to just assemble it, and then in the end we can tie it all up, just to show you how you place it. It's like this. So this is the first leg done. So now we have to put a junction with 4 exits like this, and here we have the pieces for the second leg. So like this, another one. It's very important, the rubber inside the junctions, because that's what prevents the structure from wobbling, you know, so it's quite important. Put this like this. Like this. Another 90 degrees junction. At the end we'll tie it up, so don't worry if it's not quite right now. So, and there you go, the back, it's done. Okay. Now, for the tail, let's just put this small one here, a 30-degree one, and like this. So this is for the tail. So now for the body, we screw a 4 rod there, add the junction with 4 exits, so we can do the legs and the neck. The right leg, this side, so It's quite easy, you know. So there you go. You have to pull a little bit higher like this, so you can. You can choose the position that you want. That's the beauty of this structure. You can choose if you want it up, down, whatever. Yeah. Now, just almost finished. So let's just finish the left leg. And there we go. So now you can just place it wherever, however you want, up, down. It really has to do with what you choose to do. So like this. So for the neck, I'm going to add this one. You still have more pieces to add if you want to do a horse or a zebra or whatever, but I'm not going to use that ones because I'm doing one that I don't need those pieces. So this is the main structure. Now we're going to see how it works for the base for to put the cake. So next step is the base to place your cake. I did some templates based on what I want to do. So I did it in paper, so to see if it fits exactly in the structure. So like this. Usually it's done in styrofoam, but this time I did it on wood. So I cut it 2 pieces. You can see it. I sculpted here so that it can fit in the structure. So if you just take this, see, it fits exactly. This one goes under like this. So, but this needs to be food safe, so I'm going to cover the wood with the proper paper. So, cake boards, I'm going to show you again so you can see it exactly. I sculpted, right? So this is much easier if you do it in styrofoam, but I wanted something reusable that I could use time and time again, so and not have to do it every time I want to use the structure. So I'm going to make it food safe by I'm going to glue this like this and like this. So this is the final look of it. Now let's just put it right into place. Look. Now you're going to screw one to another like this. So just screwing the last one. There. So like this. Now the tail back on place. And there you go, you have your structure ready to use. So So before we start with the cake, I was just thinking, and I think I'm going to add something here to hold on for the head. It's making my life easier, I think. Let's just I think this will be the final, like this. So let's go for the cake. There we go. See? So the cake is on now. I hope that this small tutorial will help you assembling the innovative Sugarworks sugar structure, and if you want to see a little bit more and learn step by step how to do this cake, please follow the Innovative Sugarworks page, because the full tutorial will be available soon.